Tonight we're having open house. This is an event put on by our school, McAllen High School, so that the students, the teachers, and the parents can collaborate and communicate all in the best interest of their children.
Definitely for Mondays, I will more than likely.
We need the support of our community members. We need the support of our parents. Our children succeed when our parents are involved. And when we have the schools and the communities together, it's a beautiful thing.
Sometimes when they get home from school, you ask them, hey, so how was your day? Typical teenager, So, but coming here to the open house, you can actually see, what's really going on. And most of all, you can see the interest that the teachers have in our students. And that makes me, gives me that warm, fuzzy feeling,
You have such a great support system.
Moreover, we're having also the community come in to our schools and offer their businesses as far as jobs opportunities for our children here at schools. It's a great thing. It's a great opportunity for our students to understand the importance of how communities and schools come together. When the parents are involved, our students succeed. When the teachers are being collaborating with their parents, it's an amazing thing, all in the best interest of our kids.